here, welcome back. In this video I'll unbox LG G8X Festive Edition. So let's begin.
Here I have it. There are two packages. First we have the dual screen and then the main box. The packaging is slightly different, I guess. I didn't expect this. Okay, it is also mentioned Festive Special Limited Edition. Here are the details. Imported on October 2020, black color, 70,000 rupees MRP, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. First we have a microfiber cloth. It is used to clean the phone. Okay, that's great. Now we have a phone. Just to mention, this is not manufactured in India. The phone and its accessories are manufactured in Vietnam, but seems fine to me. Now let us keep it aside. Here we have another packaging containing paperwork and the SIM ejector tool. I guess no one is interested in reading the paperwork and all, so I'll keep it aside too. Next we have our case. It is a regular one, that transparent silicone case, nothing nice. Okay, but we should not expect anything other than this. Now we have a USB Type-C cable. It is used to charge the phone. Actually we don't have the charger, we have everything except it. At last we have another packaging containing earphones. Now let us see the ports of our phone. On bottom we have a speaker, Type-C port, headphone jack and a primary microphone. On right side we just see the power button and secondary microphone. On top we have a SIM tray, and at last we have a assistant button and volume rockers. Now let me just set it up. So our phone is booted successfully. Here we see a message regarding the phone safety. Do not remove the battery. Actually, who does that? Anyway, just leave it. Here, let me just show you something. You may see its operating system. It comes preloaded with Android 10. Here, let me just show you the SIM tray. Okay, it's a hybrid slot, so we can just use 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and 1 memory card at a time. Now let us have a look at our dual screen. Here it is. I am first removing the plastic slowly. I guess you can see it is really glossy. Along with this, we also get a connector which is used to charge the phone when it is attached to the dual screen. Now, let's attach our phone to it. Practically, I feel there are many uses of dual screens. Except gaming, a phone won't use 8 to 12 GB of RAM and all those massive amounts. Even in games, we still don't have games like GTA 4 on Android, which was launched back in 2008. So dual screen is practically very nice and 6 GB RAM is also enough. Dual screen really helps us in multitasking. During gaming, it gives us a feel of Nintendo Switch. And at last, I feel if we do a lot of typing work, then it's a good choice. Now let me show you its display. I'm not sure how will it look in video, but in reality it is really good. Both of the screens are OLED Full HD panels. Let's have a look on its build quality. The back panel is made up of glass. There is no camera bump cause the cameras are under the back glass only. The frame is made up of aluminum and surely it will give us premium feeling. Talking about the camera, it is fair enough. Next we have a sound sample from the phone's speakers. Here I am testing the fingerprint of phone. The phone got unlocked every time. It's fine for me, a bit slow but still. At last you may see it has got Snapdragon 855, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage and Adreno 640 graphics. So that is it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and do subscribe to this channel for further updates on this phone and videos related to laptops.